Imagine reaching out to your customer directly in their personal space and making a sale. Email marketing makes it possible every single day. In today's video, I'm going to cover email marketing and I'm going to cover the things that are related to email marketing. As a matter of fact, 72% of consumers prefer email as the main channel for business communication, according to Marketing Sherpa. And number of email users worldwide have rose from 3.7 billion in 2017 to around 4.4 billion this year. So a race by more than 700 million users. But what are the reasons, what are the actual reasons that your business or my business or any other business should actually use or consider using email marketing? Let's start with cost effectiveness. So different statistics and different studies have shown that the return on investment on email marketing is significantly higher than on any other marketing channels, like for example paid ads or SEO marketing and so on. And why is that? And the answer to that is pretty simple. Getting someone's email puts them into the middle of your funnel, and to put things more simply or humanly, they are starting to be in direct or semi-direct contact with you. So from a marketing perspective, middle of the funnel is like being able to communicate to someone regularly in the space that is comfortable for them. But from a consumer perspective, middle of the funnel or leaving an email in exchange for some piece of information, leaving the email in exchange for getting access to a resource is a moment in which I am saying as a consumer, okay, I think I can trust them. I think they have something of value. Let me just check it. And if you as a business will prove along the way your value to this user, they will probably at some point in time or maybe become your customer. Therefore, return on investment on email marketing is better than paid ads, because with paid ads you have an immediate decision to make. You are promoting an item or a set of goods and you are expecting conversion. So you are redirecting someone to the contact form or to your website and you want them to buy. With email marketing, you are slowly building the relationship. This is probably one of the reasons why this channel is so effective. And another reason for cost effectiveness is that there is a pretty low entry point. So you can start your email marketing with as little as $0, because if you will start an account for a tool like ConvertKit, for example, which by the way I have another video on in here, so if you would like to watch it, just click. Then you can start sending your regular newsletters or regular emails to the people that are following you on social media and that you can invite onto your list, and you are good to go, so you don't have to invest upfront. So another reason why your business needs email marketing is increased personalization and segmentation. With email marketing, you can tailor the message depending on someone's behavior. Let's say that they are clicking a link. Let's say that they are responding to a message in a certain way. Then you can create various automations and various things that will encourage them to look for more information, to explore more on your website, and to do this with things that they are interested in, instead of just you trying to guess what is that someone needs or wants. And this also works so well because this enhances customer experience with your brand. If you are speaking to someone's needs, desires or expectations instead of just guessing, then they are feeling more connected with your brand and they are building trust significantly faster. The third reason why your business needs email marketing is the direct access to consumers, meaning that emails will land in their inbox, especially if they willingly and hopefully eagerly subscribe to your email marketing list. Unlike with social media like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter and so on, you are not dependent on algorithm, and more importantly, you do not have a threat of losing the list, especially if you have it backed up. So with social media, there is always a chance that your account for some reason will get suspended or banned. I have heard of dozens, if not hundreds of such examples. And with your email marketing, you have this guarantee that if someone has willingly subscribed to your email list, they are expecting this message. They are probably are willing at some point in time at least to open this message, to read its contents, and so on and so forth. So this gives you this direct interaction with your customers. The fourth reason is measurable results and analytics. Email marketing enables you to track a lot of different things that otherwise are not trackable. For example, you can see how many people are opening certain emails based on the title of the email, subject line on the email. You can also check out who actually opened the email and then draw some conclusions from that. You can track different types of behaviors that are correlated with various things. So you can do A/B testing. For example, you can create two different versions of one pop-up or one landing page and see which one is more convincing for end users. You can also see if there is a correlation between, for example, the content of the email and the result of the sequence. So you can easily see what kind of copy is more convincing for the audience in order to book an appointment with you or in order to buy a product from you. So the fifth reason why your business needs email marketing is to build long-lasting relationships with your customers. Email marketing can help you not only boost the credibility in your customers' eyes, it can also help you foster relationships. It can help you update people in bulks about what is happening with your business, with your brand, and with your offering also, and do so with people that are actually genuinely interested in what is that you have to offer. So again, without shooting blanks, you are actually building tailored conversations, tailored communication with people that are interested in what you offer. So these are the top 5 reasons why your business needs an email marketing. Let me just highlight once again that having email marketing is invaluable in today's world, especially if you are looking to build long-lasting business, if you are looking to build long-lasting relationships with your customers, and if you are looking to have a tool that will enable you to, instead of one-on-one, either with you or your sales team, build conversations, build communication with people at scale. Email is a great tool to do just that. And trust me, if you will build this channel, if you will devote the time to actually do this in an incredible and meaningful way, the leads will just start popping up because people will trust you, will find you to be credible expert or a brand within a certain area of expertise or niche that you are operating in, and therefore naturally they will like or desire to spend money on not only buying something from you but also to helping you grow. This is how humans actually operate. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want me to cover any other topics around B2B sales or marketing, let me know in the comment section down below. Have a great day ahead and thanks for watching.